Hi everyone, this is That's So Random and I'm Erin. And tomorrow is Easter Sunday, and Easter was a big deal in my family. My mom came from a large family of like 10 kids, so like Easter was like the thing for all the cousins to get together and see each other. Easter egg hunts, of course. Um, but I was thinking of redoing this photo from when I was 10. Um, I have my other cousins in there, but I didn't get their permission, and I didn't, you know, didn't want them to get upset for me using a photo of them as kids. um, so I was thinking of remaking that dress, and I have a dress to make the top out of. I couldn't find any blue fabric, so I found this floral dress. I'm thinking I might have to add gores into the skirt with the top part to make it fit my hips and waist, because it is a very short dress. Because I couldn't find anything in blue that had all blue flowers, but I figured springtime, it's okay. It's not going to be an exact replica because this dress probably was bought in the 90s. Okay. But I couldn't find the floral fabric. Okay. And then for the top part, I'm going to use this pattern, the New Look, what is it? SO863. I'm going to use just the bodice part, and I'm going to put like longer sleeves, like in the photo. I'm going to put longer sleeves. So yeah, let's start making the top of it, because I know that will be easier than figuring out this part. Plus you need the top to attach the skirt too. So let's do that. So using the pieces that come in the pattern, doing the front and back of the top, and the waist portions. And this is where I realized I should have redone it a certain way to put sleeves on, because I didn't put sleeves on. I also needed to have lining pieces, so I cut out some lining pieces. So following the instructions, doing stay stitching and making sure that nothing moves around. So just following all the directions to create the top from this pattern. So there it is, the finished upper portion and the finished portion with the waist. So I'm going to cut the skirt and create the pieces for the gores, cutting into the skirt to make it wider. And there's the skirt put together. So attaching in the invisible zipper, and now knowing how to put it in correctly without any zipper showing. And my seams closely match compared to some previous projects. And now taking the lining that was left over because the instructions said so, I am now flipping it right sides together to sew them together over the zipper and close the part and creating it to have a more finished seam on the inside. So here it is, the final reveal. And some spring cleaning because I haven't cleaned since January. So if you liked this and want to see more content, go ahead and hit subscribe. And if you really liked this video, go ahead and hit the like button.